Welcome back to our apprenticeship series. Today, we'll be discussing CAC payments. If you haven't watched our first set of videos where we discuss the DAS forms, we highly recommend doing so beforehand. If you aren't signatory to a union or you don't plan on making training payments to a union, you are likely required to make training payments to the CAC, the California Apprenticeship Council. Before getting into how training payments are made, let's discuss why contractors are obligated to make this payment. Labor Code 1777.5, subsection M1, states that a contractor to whom a contract is awarded, who, in performing any of the work under the contract, employs journeymen or apprentices in any apprenticeable craft or trade shall contribute to the California Apprenticeship Council the same amount that the director determines is the prevailing amount of apprenticeship training contributions in the area of the public works site. A contractor may take as a credit for payments to the council any amounts paid by the contractor to an approved apprenticeship program that can supply apprentices to the site of the public works project. In short, if utilizing an apprenticeable craft, contractors must make training contributions per the classification's owed training rate, as indicated within their wage determination. Training fund contributions are due on the 15th of every month. The DIR website has a tool available that assists in submitting this payment. Using this page, contractors may submit a CAC2 form. Here, you would input the contractor information. Further below, you would input the county of work, classification that the training contribution is going toward, the hours performed by employees within this classification, and the rate being paid. The website will assist in calculating what you owe and will begin an invoice. Completed payments toward the CAC are then later displayed on the DIR website under the Training Fund search page. Here, every training fund contribution completed across all projects under a contractor may be found using this lookup tool. Here, you would insert the Contractor State License Board or CSLB license number of a contractor to find their payment history. The site lists the project name, date, and total amount paid for that contribution. And with that, your training contribution requirement toward the CAC is complete.
Thank you for watching this video. If you need further help or have prevailing wage questions, feel free to give us a call or reach out to us through our website. You can also follow us on our social media platforms for any future updates. Here at Alliant, we'll help you get compliant.